반갑습니다. This is Minjae Kim, and here I invited the master healer who is really specialized in self-healing, Jen Angeli.
반갑습니다.
Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I am Jen Angeli, and I am a master healer, like Minjae said, that I specialize in Qigong and helping people heal themselves.
Oh, Qigong. So in Korea we say Qigong, and in China we say Qigong. So what made you to become a Qigong master?
The first thing was I needed healing myself, and it's a constant practice.
Right.
But I wanted to focus first on healing my own issues. I had a lot of things going on, medically, physically, emotionally. And I found this practice and then just started applying myself and focusing and understanding energy. Mm-hmm. And I had so many results that I wanted to share. And since doing that, I've seen a lot of other people help themselves and heal themselves.
I see. So you said self-healing and also Qigong master. So what does Qi have to do with self-healing?
So we need energy to heal. We need a lot of energy to heal. By the time people get to that point where they know that they need healing or they don't feel so good, it's because they're low in energy, low in Qi. So a big part of, like batteries, we need to recharge ourselves.
So are you saying that healing takes lots of energy?
It takes a lot of
lots
energy.
Of Qi energy.
Yes, and because we are Qi energy.
We are Qi energy. So yes. The first thing is that we need to feel the energy.
Yes.
And also we should accumulate it.
We need to feel it, we need to accumulate it, and then we need to be able to move it with ourselves. We need to
move it ourselves. So feel it, accumulate it, and move it.
Yes.
Then why the Qi energy is related with our health?
Well, I brought a little friend to help us explain some things today about energy.
Where?
Hello.
Oh, here.
My little friend. Say hello to my little friend.
Hello.
So, this is, can everybody see it? Can everybody see it? This is my friend. This is, he has a lot of, or actually it's a replication of the energy centers that are in our body, or the energy points in our body, called meridians.
I can see lots of lines.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the lines is connected with the interstate highway in our body.
Yes.
Like energy flowing through the lines.
Yes.
And then how about the dots?
The dots are like energy intersections. So just like energy, just like traffic, right? When the intersection gets blocked,
then the whole traffic system will go mess.
Right. So in the body, that shows up first is inflammation. That doesn't necessarily, you can't really feel that. But then the next thing is, then it starts to become painful, and then you start to develop symptoms.
So are you saying that before we see the physical symptom, physical things, something is developing behind the scenes?
Yes.
That is the energy.
It's all the energy.
I see.
So what we need to be able to do is understand that we have all these, we have a whole system that we can be the owner of.
Owner of this, yeah.
We can be the owner of our own system, and then we can move the energy, find our blockages, and then release it.
You are right, because we all have this.
Yes.
Know it or not, because we all have this. So we need to master of our energy system.
Yeah, we're the owners of it, right?
Yes.
So we need to own it. So I'm going to put this guy down.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, my little friend.
So then, how many meridian channels do we have?
Well, we have 12.
And then how about the intersection, acupressure points?
365.
Wow, 12 meridian channels and 365 acupressure points.
Does that sound familiar?
Those numbers are familiar.
Aren't they?
Right?
Pretty similar, right?
12 months and then 365 days.
Yeah.
So that is why in East Asia, we say that human body is the micro-universe. Because this is how our human body is connected to nature. Because obviously, we came from nature and we are a part of nature.
We are nature.
Yeah.
Yes. So with energy, our job is to first recognize it and then restore the balance back to nature. Our bodies are very smart.
Very smart.
Okay. Very smart. We have a whole system going on. Like most of us don't even know our own energy, right? Like we know our houses better than we know what's going on inside. Right.
Yeah. Physical body is obvious. We can see and touch them, but energy, very subtle.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. And most people have a lot of blockages in their body that they're not aware of until it shows up as either pain or some kind of chronic symptom.
Yeah, and then lots of people have this shoulder pain and neck pain and back pain, lots of pains. Yeah.
And joints. All connected to energy.
All connected to energy.
And emotions.
Emotions.
And thoughts.
And thoughts.
And habits.
So in Korea, we pronounce it as ki, and in China, we pronounce it as chi, and they are really connected. And in Korea, there are lots of words that you use in your daily life than using ki.
Oh, such as what?
For example, like mood.
Mood?
We say 기분.
기분?
Yes.
기분.
기분 means energy is distributed. And also, so when the energy distribution is harmonious, we say 기분이 좋다. That means I feel great.
Say that again.
기분이 좋다.
I'm not even going to pronounce that.
And also, the air is 공기.
공기.
And also the ambience or atmosphere, we say 분위기. Yeah, even cold. Oh, I caught cold. It also 감기.
감기.
Yeah, so there are lots of words that you use the ki in our words. So that means the from long time ago, Korean culture, the energy is deeply connected with the Korean culture. Yeah.
That's why it's K-Wellness.
K-Wellness.
K-Wellness. There's so much information here, just like in the body.
Then could you elaborate more about how you utilize the chi energy for the self-healing?
So what we do is first we help people recognize their blockages, and then secondly, in the body themselves. So there's different tests that you can do to feel where you have some blockages, what feels tight. Should we try one?
Yes.
Okay. So most people can do this. Let's bring your hands like this.
This?
Yep. Put one hand over the other.
One over the other.
And then interlace your hands. And then let's bring them through. So everybody can try this at home. And just notice how that feels. It's okay if you can only go part way, right? Most people, if you have a lot of tension, shouldering your tension, it would be like here. Yeah, well, we're going to come out here. Okay, and then we're going to bring it back through. And then let's try the opposite side.
How?
One hand goes the other hand. And then come through. Okay, how's that feel? Did one side feel tighter than the other?
Yes.
So on that side, you have a little bit more blockage. So let's bring it back.
Okay.
So we can drop our hands down.
Great.
So just release your shoulders.
Oh, just one movement, I feel better.
Yeah. So that was actually a stretching, but we use that also to just check to see how tight you are. So many people, if you have a lot of shoulder tension, you won't be able to extend your elbows.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Sometimes I immerse myself into some thoughts, and without my knowing it, I keep on taking the same position, same posture without my knowing it.
Right.
Yeah. And then naturally I will have some stiffness or pain.
Yes, your intersections gets blocked.
Oh, intersection gets blocked.
Yes.
The traffic system will go mess. Yes. So you remember we have the meridian channels and also the intersection. So you really need to take care of them. Even though we cannot see the energy, that is the crucial part.
Yes.
Right? Crucial part, the building component of our health.
So what's amazing about energy is it doesn't take a whole lot. Because we are energy, it doesn't take a whole lot for you to at least feel your energy and let it improve even just a little bit, just for relief. Now, we're not talking about full-fledged healing, but we're talking about just giving yourself some relief throughout the day. So even like with your shoulders, many things you can do to open up that circulation or the blocked intersections of the joints. Through movement, right? Just movement. Also tapping, right? You've tried some of that. And I saw you had some incredible videos on this channel. Yeah. So one of them I would suggest you checking out, if you haven't checked them out yet, is checking out the feeling energy. Feeling energy, yeah.
Feeling energy.
And can I point up here?
Yes, please. Yeah.
We're going to put a video up there. So please check out that video and feel your energy.
Yeah. And would you show us some simple practice that we can do promote the flow of energy in our body?
Okay, so one of the easiest things is to improve the circulation to your heart.
To our heart?
To your heart. we can do that through your hands.
Oh,
very
okay,
easy.
Very easy.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
easy.
okay.
So let's just start shaking your hands.
Okay.
And what's really important when you are doing anything regarding energy is your exhale. You know, most people will not ever forget to inhale, but we don't exhale well. So we want to just gently exhale.
So I think that rather than just automatically breathing in and breathe out, we focus on breathing out.
Yeah, a little bit longer, not pushing it out. You don't want to not like that, but we just want to gently just watch your breath and just feel your body just releasing that pressure.
I see. Great.
Good. Now let's do Spider-Man hands. Let's just flip it up this way.
Oh, Spider-Man, I like
Spider-Man hands. And you can you feel tension in your wrists?
Yeah, this is, not too much, but to the level that I feel good.
Yes. And then also, if you're doing this at home, check out if one side feels a little tighter. Most people, their dominant hand feels a little bit more tight.
Yes.
Yes. So let's breathe it out here. Nice and gentle exhale. And just feel your body. Good. And now, have you been doing this for about 1 minute? I don't know. I haven't been paying attention.
Last week.
But it feels good though, right?
Yeah.
It feels good.
Yeah.
So now let's just stop and hold your energy, hold your hands. And what do you feel?
I already feel something. I already can feel something. Like, I feel like cotton. A little bit soft energy ball.
Yes. So check this out. Try to imagine that you have like a slinky in your hand. And slowly lower one side. And it's almost as if that energy is going down into that lower hand. Can you feel that?
Yes.
Okay, now let's switch. Slow, slow, slow. And imagine. So your mind is very, very important on directing energy. You know where your mind goes, your energy follows. So imagine you're just pouring that energy into your lowering hand. And feel that. And don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to exhale. Can you feel the sensation getting a little stronger?
Yes, more and more.
Yeah. So right now, guess what we're doing?
And as my hands go up and down, it feels a little bit different too.
It's almost as if your body really likes this. And do you notice your body is just kind of doing it?
Without my knowing it, my breathing, I feel like my breathing got deeper.
Yeah. So you know what we're doing right now? We're meditating.
Oh, dynamic meditating.
Yeah. So a lot of people, they say they cannot meditate. If you're doing this at home and you feel something, you're meditating. Good job. Good. Now let's slowly stop. Put your hands down on your lap and just slowly inhale and exhale. Good. Just notice your body. Inhale again and exhale. And inhale one more time. Now when you exhale, smile. And feel your body. Good. How was that?
Wow. My eyes become watery. And also I still feel warmth around my hand.
Right.
And as I said, my breathing become deeper and I feel more centered.
Good.
Now. Yeah.
Yeah, so you brought your energy back to your body. So the most important thing with key energy is that we really need to be in our body and almost like home. So this is home. When our awareness and when our breathing and when our focus is here, naturally your body feels more relaxed.
Our body is our home.
Yes.
Okay.
But normally we're not home.
Yeah.
Yes. And then the body feels like, I need something. So you just recharge yourself. You just brought more energy back into your body. And then now your body is not only more comfortable, but it's doing healing on its own. There's so much things going on right now. I don't even know how to describe it, but there's so many things that your body right now, when it comes back into its natural state, it starts to recover itself.
So that means you are the one who know about your body and mind the most. And actually you can be and you are the best doctor of yourself. And you should be one.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Wow, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So the starting point of self-healing is a feeling to feel energy and utilize energy. So did you enjoy the video?
Wait, hold on one second. 1 second. I want to say one thing. You can't get this wrong. You cannot get this wrong. So don't worry about like, am I doing this right? If you felt something, you did it right.
Right. Yes. Don't make judgment upon yourself.
Yes.
Yeah. Just keep going. Yeah. And don't compare with other people.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And like this video and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment and I or Jen will reply to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Did we say 감사합니다?
감사합니다.
감사합니다.